Where are we? What are we doing?
We're at Buc-ee's. Hey vloggers, right now we just left Buc-ee's and we got breakfast. I thought me and Jules both got bacon, egg, and cheese, and the biscuit is apple pie. And then
No, it's just a biscuit.
no, it said apple pie on it.
No, it's not an apple pie. This is not an apple
Isn't
pie.
that mine?
No, ours.
Here.
Yours is a croissant. Actually, I think so. Yeah. Is it? I don't know. Look at.
What are you showing me? Or why are you handing me? I'm asking.
Bye. Hey vloggers, this is an update on on going to the beach. We just got to the hotel and it is raining outside. Raining. Stop following the camera. Look that way. So yeah, and we're about to go to the beach probably. We're probably gonna go to the beach, we don't know. Okay, it's raining harder. Okay, see you guys. Bye! Toodaloo! Don't cry. Don't cry. The floor is lava. That tears make you. The floor is lava. The floor is lava. Danger.
So we did not record it all yesterday, but today has been day 2. Did the beach, did the pool, and now it is dinner time, so we are headed to a restaurant. Tanya always likes to find seafood restaurants while we're out on vacation, so we are going to GT's on the bay so she can get seafood. I'm sure we'll probably get the girls pizza and I'll probably get a burger because that's just where it's at. But let's check this restaurant out and see what it's given. I'm raising a thief. We just left the restaurant, made it all the way back to the car, and this chick got in the car and realized that she had a napkin under her arm. I said, how you steal a whole napkin from the restaurant?
It was under my arm.
So now we got to roll back around there and give these people their napkin back.
What?
We're not keeping the napkin. What are you going to do with it? No, we're not throwing away their napkin. We're taking it back.
Well, I'm not getting it.
You're not getting out the car. So you don't want to commit the crime, but you don't want to. Y'all raise your kids better. Raise your kids better.
I didn't mean to. I thought I left it at the table.
Go, girl. Oh, your legs are too long for this one. Woof! How you almost kicked me in the face?
And I want you to... That was interesting.
That...
Hold on, I'm trying to Which song?
Hold on, I lost the melody.
Oop, that dress is getting caught. Is Tori gonna make it? She's struggling. You.
Which way? This way?
I don't know which way you do. Hold on.
Watch me whip, Ole. Oh, it's a
Oh, watch you what?
Baba.
Jules, watch you what?
Watch your nene.
Watch me whip.
Watch me nene. Watch me whip. Watch me nene. Watch you whip. Watch me with nene. Watch.
Oh. Where we about to go?
To the boat and we go to the island. I didn't know.
Where are we going?
We're going to a ferry.
To a ferry?
Yeah.
And Jules, you said to an island?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do on the island?
It's kind of like an aquarium, but it's like a ocean.
Something. All right. Let's get some lotion on them legs because they're looking dry, and then head out. All right, y'all, we're almost at the aquarium. We took the ferry, about a 35-minute ride here. It wasn't too bad, it was just really hot, but there was a little bit of a breeze. So we're gonna go check out the aquarium and see what it's about and make a bathroom stop on the way.
There you go.
Yummers!
Glad I brought the big
And Jules,
purse.
what'd you get, Jules? You got strawberry and chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Taking a little ice cream break, waiting for the 2 o'clock show of the stingray feeding.
Just
Please
touch
gently touch
them.
with 2 fingers only. Oh. Joel said not me, girl. Probably hungry. It's almost feeding time. Don't put your face too close.
Are they?
Had a great time at the aquarium. It's very small compared to the one
And we saw
in Atlanta.
stingrays.
Yes.
And a shark.
Yep. But we love the smaller town aquariums and zoos because you just get a much more personal experience, hands-on, up close and personal, instead of being a million miles away from the animals like you are when you're in a big city. But right now, where are we going, Jules? We're on our way back to the ferry.
Yeah.
It leaves at 2.
It's the big boat.
Yep, and I think we got about 12 minutes before it's supposed to leave. So we gotta hurry up and get there so that we can get tickets and get back, because they're only running one ferry today, which means that you gotta wait an hour and a half in between each ride, and the ride is almost 40 minutes. So that's a long time to be sitting. Why are you sad, baby?
I'm sad if we're not going again.
Oh, no, we're gonna make it. We're almost there.
We're not coming back to aquarium.
Oh, well, That's okay. We'll go to other aquariums. We're gonna go back to the ocean in the morning, and that's the world's largest aquarium.
No, we need to leave in the morning.
Well, we are leaving in the morning, but before we leave, we're gonna go to the beach and to the pool like we always do.
And then leave.
And then leave. All right, we're almost there. It's right up there, past those cranes and stuff.